Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I have 2006 Ford Escape and I will show how to remove the driver's side door panel. This video applies to Ford Escapes made from 2001 all the way up to 2007. Okay, so to start with the panel removal, first you'll have a couple of Phillips screws to remove. So there is one just here, so unscrew that one, and there will be one Phillips screw just here inside, so unscrew that one as well. Okay, so these are the screws. Once you have them out, you'll want to remove this small cap right here, because there is one more Phillips screw just behind it. Now you can just pry this out with a flat screwdriver or something similar. Oop. So like I said, one more Phillips screw inside, and this cap has just a couple of plastic clips. Okay, so the next thing to do, there is still one screw just behind this small black cover right here. So get like a small flat screwdriver to pry this out. Okay, almost did it. Okay, and this one is golden, so try to remember it when you'll be putting all this back together. Okay, once you have this gold screw removed, you'll want to remove this black plastic surrounding the door handle. Just be careful so you don't break this door handle. You can just pull this off by your hand. And now right here in this corner, there's like a small clip which you have to unclip. Just be careful here. Okay, and you can pull it off. And now once you have this removed, there is nothing else holding this door panel actually, so you can start prying it out. So you can use something like a flat screwdriver or a pry tool and start from the bottom side, and you'll want to work your way all around so you can get nice and loose. And then once that is done, you'll just want to lift it up and unhook it. Okay, so I'll be using this tool, so I'm just gonna squeeze it inside and pry this panel off. And like I said, I'm gonna just work my way around to get all of these pins loose. Once I have that, then I can even use my hand and pull it off. Okay, just like this. And now once it's completely loose, what you'll want to do, you'll want to just lift it straight up and off the door. Okay, so before you can completely remove this panel, you'll have to disconnect these power switches. There is only one connection on the back side of the panel, and what you want to do, you want to squeeze it with your finger right here. There's like a small clip, and try to wiggle it off. If you can't do it with your fingers, try to use like pliers or something if it was never removed. Okay, I was able to do it. So yeah, this is the idea. You have to push onto this clip and then pull it straight out. And once you disconnect that, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.